I know, man.
In Butere.
Yes.
Let me just initial thoughts even before you are the creator, you're the nini as a parent too.
Yes.
What went into your mind when you're seeing these girls, Jana, even being banned before, but specifically Jana?
Wow, Mazayani. You know, for you to be hated by high schoolers, you have to be hey, Yani. So first of all, after the incidences yesterday, tulirudi tu huko kwa kina Koigi wa Mwere. It's sad that these are things we are talking about in 2025, to be really honest. Hata Koigi ako alive, by the way. Yuko area. Hey, mazee, najua mali yuko amechoka mbaya, man. And yani art. Kuna mali watu wanafaa waende tu wa relax ni hapo kwa art. The thing that art is doing for people out here. Bra, kama si your drama festival platform, I wouldn't be here. And mimi kukosa kukuwa hapa, it means hundreds of other creators hawangekuwa hapa. Yeah. So it's sad that we had to get to that point. Personally, I think they made a fuss out of something that didn't warrant it. Hiyo kitu, by the way, wangenyamazia. Ingeenda nationals, itolewe hapo national. Isiende gala State House, wangeitolea tu hapo national. So ipati hata number 2.
Mbona unawapatia ideas? Mbona unawapatia ideas?
You should have come for advice.
Hey! But now, because of what they did, imefika point now, guys are willing to pay waende wa watch. In fact, I'm getting a lot of DMs, maze. You guys, see, you do your thing. Ileteni hapa KNT wana tulipe.
What do you understand? What's the problem? From your own understanding, what is the issue?
So, I feel like someone felt tagged. Iko mtu alifeel tu ametagiwa na hiyo piece. Now, the fact that they felt tagged says something. Again, just the example I gave you when I started. If it was a play on drugs, angeongea. The fact that it was a governance thing na akafeel lazima ni address hii, it means they felt tagged. Watu kuna mali wananiweka na so why alianza kujishuku hiyo design, to be really honest, I have no idea. Wasichana wafanye mambo yao. I saw some statement by the Ministry of Education. Wasai wanatry kusafisha wakisema actually, you know, the problem is that the trainers are not people
qualified.
in the
so supposed to be members of the
not in the education sector nini and that's illegal. Me, I have been confessed since primary school. The top schools, top institutions. Hakuna. All the trainers are usually outsiders.
Right? It's always a guy from KNT.
So ni rigging.
Yes.
Ni rigging. Unajua unawapea content ingine sahi.
No, my drama teacher, Miss Esuchi, I think she's still at Maseno now. Yeah. She left my school.
Hey, you went to Maseno?
No.
Oh.
But I think she would transfer to Maseno. Alikuwa anafanya kazi mob sana. She should have just hired someone.
Anyway.
It was always someone from the outside teaching drama. Always someone from either KNT, from somewhere. I don't think there's a problem with it. We had this conversation.